allotment. It's January the 11th today. It's a very still and clear day today. It's beautiful. It was very cold this morning. It was like about 0 degrees, maybe a high of 7, but in the sun it feels fairly warm, and there's no wind at the moment, so it's nice. People are here clearing up. We have 2 more weekends, and the process for getting a new allotment begins next week actually. So we have to go down maybe Wednesday or Thursday to the kind of town hall, you know, and make an application and choose this site again, because we got a good chance of getting in here. So I'm going to do a bit of clearing up. This is a lovely big cabbage. I haven't picked it yet, because you know, once it's picked, that's it. We've got to use it. So I'm kind of waiting until we can take advantage of its cabbagey goodness, as it were. This is the last hakusai, this Chinese leaves. And it's pretty good actually. Look at that. Nice and solid inside. Again though, you know, once I pick it, that's it. We've got to use it. So you have to decide when to pick it. But this is my I never quite found out what the name of this kale was. I was calling it black kale, Tuscan kale. I don't really want to dig it up. I'm thinking of digging it up and taking it home and replanting it. That might work. It's nice though, isn't it? All knobbly. I think it's just getting into its stride now. It's getting its knobbles on. This is the last cauliflower. It's just gone amazingly. Look at this. I don't think we can eat this anymore, but it's just amazingly stalky. It's just grown in a fantastical way. It's amazing. If we had chickens. Well, unfortunately it's time for this broccoli to say farewell. I really hate to cut it, you know, because I've grown quite attached to it, all these flowers, but I'm afraid it's time to go. Maybe we'll have another one next year. There's the stalk. Little tiny, you see here, little tiny broccoli is coming back and things growing down here. See the way it kind of grew? When it was younger it was not strong, and then it grew and then went up. So all we're left with here is these flowers. But I'm afraid they have to go. You see the petals coming out like snow. Last one. Oh, no, that's the last one. Okay. Oh, quite hard to pull up. Just broke it. Dug a big hole. I'm going to put some cabbage leaves down there. Hopefully it's deeper than anyone's going to grow anything, so we'll just throw them down there. And they should rot down, hopefully. These are all the mostly broccoli stalks, which will not break down for about 100 years. They have a half-life longer than plutonium, probably. So, I need to take them home and give them to the bin men. So I'm going to chop them up first before I take them home. Ooh, they're tough. Yeah, little handle. Well, that's a nice cup of tea. So we've done quite a bit of work. We've tidied up quite a lot now, actually. Let's step back a bit and you can see what's left. Here we are in the corner. I've taken up those kind of strange broccolis. I've left that hakusai. There's a few bits of curly kale. I have buried a big load of cabbage leaves. There's still one cabbage left. Still a bit of curly kale. Still this honey kale. That's where I buried loads of cabbage leaves. The stalks are in that bag. So it's kind of getting there. It's getting there.